Quite long ago, I started on something on this channel called Reset Weekends, but I couldn't keep up with it. So here it is, continuation of Reset Weekends. Cleaning session is officially done now. I arranged the few things, dusted off few things. It was getting so dirty and so dusty that I had to wear my mask. I used a principle from the book I'm currently reading, 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think, and one of the principle from the book is if you are feeling too stuck in one environment, just rearrange the order of your room, just rearrange the furniture, switch up the places of few of your things. And this is what I did with my room. Of course I didn't shifted the furniture, but I did rearrange few of the things from their usual places, and I think it will make a difference from now on. I have been feeling a slight change already. This habit of keeping the books I'm currently reading by my nightstand. So of course I didn't want to switch that habit up because it's the only habit keeping me from reading constantly. So yeah. I've got my hands on these books recently, and I got this as a gift from my cousin. I'll be linking his two YouTube channels in the description. Make sure you do check it out. We were at the mall and I've been wanting to buy this book for quite a long time, and I saw it and he bought it for me. And the other book is recently I just got it like few days back. I got it on my birthday. I have been meaning to buy this one ever since it was released, and so obviously my other cousin got this for me, and I'll be linking her YouTube channel in the description as well. Thank you so much Ashu Bhaiya and Minni Didi for these amazing gifts. As I've said, I've recently started with these books, and I'll be sharing my progress and how the books really are and the material of the books as I really go deeper into the content of the book. So for now, I'll be doing my few other chores and important tasks of the day, which includes writing my article. I am back home now, and I have changed my clothes into a loungewear as well. And this was a very quick cut short day for me. Majorly what I did was cleaning, something I wanted to touch up on for such a long time. And now what I'll be doing is sleeping in early. I feel quite tired and lethargic, so yes, I'll be sleeping in early, and I'll catch you tomorrow. I sleep, something that I do religiously is use this cream. This is my savior, especially in winter. But my hands are always so dry like Sahara Desert. I use this every night before I go to sleep. This cream is vegan and it's from Body Shop, the face shop actually. Daily Moments, and I got this as a gift from a very special friend, Sonali Didi. Thank you so much for giving me such an amazing product. This is my savior, and I have been using this religiously. If you are looking for any hand cream, I think this is the move. It's exactly 10:07 p.m. right now, which is the perfect time for skincare, and I got my hands on this Glam Veda skincare kit. It comes with a content of 7 different products, and I'm gonna do my skincare with Glam Veda right now. I got it as a Rakhi gift, and I think this is the amazing gift for this year, especially in a season like this when my skin is really not serving. So I'm gonna get started with this skincare with this specific kit. Welcome to my layer. My PM skincare routine goes very basic. It just goes as CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, then followed by under eye cream and the lip mask. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. For the step 1, I'm using Glam with a rice and ceramide face wash. The packaging says it is suitable for dry, very dry and combination skin. This face wash doesn't make my skin super dry. It kind of hydrates and moisturizes my skin. The second step is Glam with a rice and ceramide toner, which is again best for dry and combination skin, and it is alcohol free as it says on the packaging. The last step is of course Glam with a rice and ceramide moisturizer, and I also did few facial exercises with it. To top off everything, I used under eye cream from Glam with a rice and ceramide. This is the lip mask I'm using. This is the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. I have talked about this before on my channel. The video is up on my YouTube shorts. Make sure you do check it out if you want to know more. In short, it is very moisturizing and it's worth the money. I do feel the instant moisturized feel on my skin, but I'll be giving more detailed review about the kit as I keep on using it. I'll be updating my views on this kit in 1 week, so stay tuned to this channel if you want to know more about this kit. For now I'll be reading the book I am currently reading, and I'll be journaling, and I'll call it a night. This will be all pretty much for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.